You like this? Alright, just watch how I made this style. They're just simple things you can easily and quickly make for your occasion or you're going to church without spending money or disturbing someone to help you to make it. Don't bother saying, I don't want to tie because I don't know how to tie gele. This is not just big gele. Even as I speak, I don't know how to tie big gele. But I know how to make simple and unique stylish one that would attract attention and catch every eye that passes you whenever you make them. So this one that you get your hair tie, anyone, it could be Ankara, it could be a soke, anyone, but the one that is strong is much better. This one is not as strong as it should be. Now you're gonna share this. It's not two equal halves, right? It's 70-30, or let's say 80-20. Yeah, that's the measurement, 80-20. So you bring it, take it to the back, tie, bring it to the front. You see, the short one is the one I rated as 20%, while the long one is the one I rated as 80%. You make it tight at the front. Just scatter the one because I gathered it because it would give you this rose shape. If you don't do the gathering, it may not give you this rose shape, right? So you just cut. I like rose so much, but I do it in different ways. Look at it this way. That's a short one. This is the long one, the one of 80%. Just roll it together. Take it from front to back and back to front again. Roll it very well. Because some people do use pin. I don't use pin. If you can't push it in or better, you can use pin to hold it. Probably fix office pin as small as much you can fix there. But me, I would push it inside. I don't use pin. Honestly, aside rubber band, that's why it's easy fall out. But I would make sure I push it in to make it stronger. It would definitely stay. If it goes in there, it stays because it's a okay. It's a stronger tie. So, what are they hitting out there? Oh, sorry guys. So I do push mine in there so it stays. I don't like using pin. I feel so uncomfortable with it. Then use your hand to arrange it to give it this fine, give it this fine shape, right? Good. So you see it? That's how simple, cute, and unique you would look when you make this. You can see it's something you can make in a few seconds without looking for someone to help you to do it, or without doing something very casual, owing to the fact that you can't make any special gele. This is special. That's why I like doing my things. Alright? Look at another style. It's not always one style. There are plenty of styles you can make with this style of asoke or Ankara or any other one you can use. Okay? Yeah, just bring it out and loosen it. This time around, okay, I was going to make it two equal halves, but a second thought, I said, no, let me make it, this time, I think 40-60. Let me check the rating. It's not equal. Yeah, 40-60. I think one side is, no, I made it two equal halves. No. Okay, yeah, I made it two equal halves, but that style wouldn't really come out nice for what I want to make it for. So this time, I prefer to make it 60-40. 60-40, yeah. I mean the measurement. One side is longer, the other side is short. Okay? So, you tie this knot and give it space. Dough, make a dough. Is that a dough? Yeah. That's a dough. Dough knot. Make a dough at the middle. So, it has dough at the middle there so that you can push something in there. Then take the 40 side of it to the back. There, I'm not tying it. Put it inside and use the longer one to cover it, right? It will stay in a strong head tie, it will stay. It depends on how tight you make it. Then that one, bring it to the front again. You can gather it if you want. I didn't do gather. Just bring it to the front again. Now, inside that dough, see that dough you made there, the hole, put it there. Do you understand? Push it in there and scatter it again. That's another style of getting something of that rose in front. You can see it feels so tight. It feels so tight. Can you look at it? It feels so tight. Then scatter that. There's one thing about this. You can scatter it and leave it this way because it gives you different styles. It depends. Leave it that way. If you want to make that, the person sitting at your back will not sit rude. Igbo would say, yeah, that's funny. Then you can as well gather one corner. Use your pin if you want. That's why I'm trying to push it back. Use a pin if you want. I don't use pin. I will push it. One thing about me is anywhere I push it in, it stays till I come back from wherever I'm going out with it. So push it in there. If you want, use pin. Otherwise, form your road very well. This one it's one side. So it's not at the middle, rightly at the middle, just like one side. Then push it at the back. This is just all. You see, these are another style. So this time around, the edges of the socket didn't just show, unlike the first one. So that's the style of this. Look at it. How does it look? Rate it. How does it look? So that's the simplest way of to make this. Rate my head tie, guys.